dale tutong.
Cars back with another fucking video. I don't know how many times I've said that, but shit, it's clearly paid off because we are at over 100K. I think right now we're at 101,000. You guys are fucking like awesome as ever. You guys are our biggest blessings. I would have never expected to be still stuck and be at 100K, and to be at 100K this fast, and to have 3 Miatas, bro. I have 3 Miatas right now, bro. And this is all because of you guys. Like, I definitely would not be able to do this if I was not doing YouTube or social media or anything like that. So, you know what this video is for. I look-y had this little fake plaque. I'm gonna show you guys this. I got this from Amazon. But I got this so I could bring the car meets and stuff like that. But I did hit 100,000 when we did get the plaque. I actually did wait. I waited, bro. It's been like a week or two. It's probably been a week since I got the real plaque. And don't mind the video might cut off, but this is the real plaque right here. And it is the short plaque. So we're already unboxing the short plaque. I'm gonna just open that. But I definitely want to say thank you guys for even getting me to this point where I'm at 100,000, bro. It's fucking amazing every day that I just think about it. So let me try to open this for you guys. Dude, that's my alarm to even go live every day, bro. Right here at the same time. So I gotta go live in a second for you guys. You see what I do for you guys? I got live set up. So like this is everything that I've done to get to this point thus far. And yeah, we've been grinding, bro. I'm struggling right now. I don't know if the video gonna cut out by the time I'm done. I get this shit open. Oh, and y'all ready? Look at that. Yeah, we got all the paperwork. I'm gonna read it after it because it's gonna cut out. And then the real plaque. Y'all see that? This shit, I don't like the small one though, but it's cool. At least we got one of the certified, YouTube certified plaques. This thing is so tiny. This thing is so tiny, bro. Kinda shiesty, bro. This size of my hand, my guy. But hey, shout out YouTube. We're gonna try to get a gold, and we're gonna try to get more of these. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm blessed by you guys, bro. I'm low-key glad I got this one though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna. All right, y'all. So there are a lot of mosquitoes out here, so I'm gonna. Damn, bro. You see this? I'm gonna do this all fast. Look at this. This is the congratulations on your subscriber milestone. You are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award has been inspected and packaged by Great Care by Rick. If your reward was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us. Then the YouTube thingy says, do you remember your first subscriber? No, I do not. Your 100th? No. Your 1000th? No. But you guys are all awesome. I fucking love all you guys. There's just a lot of you guys, I swear. And I was going through a lot of different social media. So chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100,000. No. I don't even know who it was. They were arguing over who it was because I was on live. Your fans may have found you while searching your YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because you are the community. You and the community we built. We are proud to honor you the impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with their community and creativity. Commitment and creativity, I'm sorry. So keep creating, keep building, and we can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you'll reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Alright, so yeah, that's about it. That's the unboxing, bro. Once again, thank you guys. Again, I'm gonna be walking around with the Saquon. This one, I'm gonna be walking around car meets and all that. But I'm definitely glad I got the real one too. This is crazy. So, oh shit, there go my slide. But shout out you guys once again. I'm about to post in this video today. Y'all are raw. Y'all are so raw, bro. Shout out y'all. Shout out y'all, bro. Big time. Just big time. Shout out y'all. Okay.